In this video, I will show you the general process of adding a table of figures in Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs file that already has figures. Each figure should have a title written as a heading. For example, you can write Figure 1, Figure 2, and so on. Make sure these titles use the same heading style, such as Heading 3. This step is important because Google Docs uses headings to build the table. To check this, select a figure title. Then go to the toolbar and confirm it is set to the same heading style as the other figures. Do this for all figure titles in the document. Next, place your cursor where you want the table of figures to appear. This is usually near the beginning of the document or after the table of contents. Now, click on Insert at the top menu. Move your mouse to the page elements and go to the Table of Contents option. You will see a few options. Choose a table style that shows links or plain text. Google Docs will automatically create a table based on the headings used for your figures. If you add more figures later or edit the titles, you can update the table. Click anywhere inside the table of figures. Then click the refresh icon that appears. The table will update to match your document. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.